I'm gonna go ahead and tell you right now. Ain't nobody finna treat me like a celery on a hot wing plate.
When people say to me, you act like you don't give a fuck, I'm not acting. I don't. Be clear.
Girl, I don't know what Caucasian woman they got into me, but bitch, iced coffee. Bitch. Well, call me Karen, okay?
Are you black? Are you sure? Pop quiz part 5. Answer the following. Name one of the first questions you ask at a cookout. Alright, is this sentence a compliment or slight shade? When Usher was in his drop top cruising the streets, what time was it? How many days per week did you use a dishwasher? Pronounce this. Here's a throwback. Why did we say, hey, call me back after 9 p.m.? Using one word only, how can a black woman alert her friends that she has the tea? When your mom called you to give her the remote, where was the remote? Didn't that make you mad? Didn't you want to just take that remote and throw it all the way to Agrabah? But did you give her the remote? Because you ain't stupid.
Oh, look. Another glorious morning. Makes me sick.
There's one in every family, sir. 2 in mine, actually. And they always manage to ruin special occasions.
What am I going to do with him?
He'd make a very handsome throw rug.
Zazu.
And just think, whenever he gets dirty, you could take him out and beat him.
Can somebody please call Cash Money Records and have them take over 2020 like they did the 99 and the 2000s?
Yeah, I think I'm done with self-care, and I think I'm going to enter self-destruction now. So, thank you for all your support, but I've decided to be a problem.
What was that? I should kill everyone and escape? Sorry. The voices. I'm kidding. That's not what they really said.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! The whole time you were... The whole time!
Oh, I'm sorry, Miranda, please.
Don't talk to me! Don't touch me! Don't touch me! I have to go. We have to leave.